No less than the city of Makati estimates that the cost of the 10-story Makati Science High School building was only 348.6 million, way below the 1.3 billion the local government reportedly spent for it.
The agency estimate was only something like 348,669,000. This was the estimate of the city of Makati itself for a 10-story science building with a 4-story dormitory. Ito pong figure na to at itong estimate na ito ang lumabas na naging basehan ng City of Makati nung nag-procure po sila ng design services.
Like in the case of the Makati City Hall 2 parking building, the COA chief notes the contract for the Makati Science High School building was bid out in phases.
As it turned out, naging amin yung phases. I think that at the very beginning, there was no indication at all how many phases that whole project would be. Paano naging 1.3 itong proyekto na to na samantalang nung umpisa, what they had in mind and what they wanted to build, I mean the agency itself, which is Makati, was only going to be worth 348.6 million pesos. So dito pa lang sa tatlong phases na to, kumbaga, na-reach na yung unang estimate na 348.6 million. Okay lang po yan kasi may mga cost overruns naman tayo. Pero nagpatuloy Phase 4, Phase 5, Phase 6. So ako po, ang tinatanong ko sa aming mga technical people ngayon, maski hindi tayo marunong sa quantity surveying, no? Dito pala, siguro, nagtaka na tayo. Bakit? Meron pa, samantalang, yung konsepto talaga nito, nung umpisa, ay mga 360 million na. Bakit tayo nandito na sa point na to?
Arvin Mendoza, reporting for Inquirer.net.